How to add another account on Android on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how you can add another account in WhatsApp on your Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can add another account in your WhatsApp account that you already have, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application onto your device. After that, simply log in into your account and you just need to head over to the three dot at the top. Just tap on it and you'll be seeing the option called settings on your device. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll be finding a bunch of options here. You're going to look up at the first option, that is account, below your profile. Just tap on it and you'll be easily finding this option called add account at the second last option above of the delete account. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can find this add account option. Just click on it and it will redirect you to another page where you need to enter a new number. You can tap on this agree and continue. After that, you need to select your country and enter a new number. After that, tap on next and your account will be verified. You need to give a verification code, enter the verification code, and your account will be created. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to add a new account into your WhatsApp account using your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.